This is our game Picking Away. I'm Carter.
And I'm Matthew.
During December, we created a pause menu and a main menu. We had to get rid of the pause menu because it interfered with our physics. And since December, we actually finished our entire game and created our physics system. Our project is a fighting game built and designed in Unity.
Also, we might add functionality for the pause menu in the future because I feel like that's important for any game. And to clarify what a fighting game is, basically it's any game that has weird or annoying mechanics to make it extremely difficult for the player.
And tries to enter each of them.
Okay, so here's our main menu. And there's
Yeah.
three options. Options.
These don't work in the editor. It works in the build copy. Same thing with quit, but start actually works. Once you start the project, your goal is to climb to the top.
So right here, this is our player Glorp, I think.
Yeah.
And he has kids at the top and a family he's trying to get to.
It's a bit hard to do on trackpad. That's okay. But
So while we're playing this, we can talk about our teammates. So for Carter, I think what he did well. Oh, okay.
since that didn't
Okay, we had some
happen,
technicality issues. So while we're playing, we'll talk about our next steps for the game. So at the top, it's the end, but I think we'll add a new world, like a new area that's different from a current setting.
that's if we, of course, continue the game,
Yeah.
which we still haven't decided.
And we would like to refine the physics a bit more since this is kind of version one that just works for our game
Yeah.
as of now. And like I said earlier, the pause menu always going to be it. No. If we don't make it to the end, we'll just show you who's at the top.
Yeah.
Anyways, a pause menu because like I said everything needs a pause menu. And maybe some character customization would be good.
So they can change the color.
I feel like some hats would be good as well.
Yeah. The top.
Um, for our partners, I think I'll go first with Carter. I think what Carter did well is that I think he did pretty good with the map building. With the clouds in the background, um, it's like included in Unity, so it wasn't very difficult to create a map. I think that's one of them that matches our theme of a cartoony type game, but also it was easy to create. And another thing he did well was I think that he helped us get momentum for creating our game because at first we didn't do very well with oh wow. Oh, there we go. You saw his family right there.
Yeah.
But I think what he did pretty well was that we worked together on creating momentum on getting progress in the game. Because in the beginning of the year, we didn't really have much going on for a project, but later on, we were able to get some progress going, and a lot of credit that is to Carter.
Before I talk about what Matthew did well, this is just our where's the there it is. This is our quit screen. You quit. Main menu takes you to the main menu. Restart restarts it.
Oh, also, I feel like I just thought of this just now. I think we could add a speedrun timer at the top that you can enable in the
Yeah.
future once we add more things inside of the game.
I forgot to show this, but if you want to, you can click R to reset the scene. But yeah, I think Matthew did really well with designing our menu systems, and we all did a pretty good job presenting, I'd say. Matthew did it better than me. I feel like our improvement is we had trouble getting started on it at first, but once we really started going, I feel like we started to start making exponential progress, and it went well. But the problem for both of us, I'd say, is just getting started and actually locking in.
And I think that goes for Carter as well. I think we had most of the same issues, but we also excelled in the same things as well, which I think really helped our game because being on the same page is pretty important for a group project. But I think that's it that we have to present. So overall, I think we're pretty proud of what we have right now, but we do have plans in the future to make it even better.
That's our YLP for the 2025 to 2026 school year, Picking Away.